In the curriculum, students need to know about how products have developed over years. So that's to do with the materials that they're made from or the technologies that went into them. So what we can do with these products is we can show them old products, we can show them new products, and we can explain, well, this is the way it is now because we can do that with the material or we can do that with the technology. Things generally have got smaller, but then they've got bigger again, depending on what the product is. So that they're really interested in things that they're not familiar with. So telephones, as they are now, are very sameish, very similar, and very boring, to be fair. But they were always boring. They were very interesting 20, 30 years ago. They were bigger, they were smaller, the batteries lasted longer, you played the snake game, but now you can go on the internet and do whatever you want.
I think the Design Museum is great. I mean, you have such a breadth of products that it really gives an insight as to like the progress of technology and just everything that's gone on from like the 1960s up until the present day.
I think the products that I am most interested in this design museum would be the Braun collection that we have. I've studied a bit of Braun and it's part of this extension project I'm doing, so it's very cool to be able to have the products here and to be able to disassemble it and analyze it and see its functions and aesthetics.
I think by having this museum here, it gives us an extra dimension. It brings the curriculum to life. It allows them to not only read about things or just go on the internet, they can actually handle them, and that's the main thing. They can pick them up, they can look at them, they can ask questions about them, and then they can learn about them. And I think that's far more powerful than just reading it in a book or going onto the internet.